Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook, our new chapter occupations and page number 76. Our new chapter occupations. Okay? So now let's start. And in the last class we have already completed our previous chapter my neighborhood, and next occupations. Okay, occupations means different types of people's work, different types do different types of works, like some people's work in a field, some people works in factory, some people teaches in our school, and someone take care sick or injured people, that is doctor. Okay, and someone buys different vegetables or other accessory things in the market. Okay, so occupations means in our daily life we do different services. Okay, so first see in your book page number 76. See here, one people, this is a fireman and he made shoes. He also repaired pipelines. He stitches clothes, that is tailor, and he buys different vegetables, or sorry, he sells different vegetables, or grocerman. Okay, so first one, I am a fireman. He told that I am a fireman dressed in red with my fire hat on my head. I can drive the fire truck and fight fire too, and help to make things safe for you. So first one, that is a fireman. Number one, that is fireman. Okay, so this fireman dressed in red with fire hat on his head, and he can drive the fire truck and fight fire too, and help to make things safe for other peoples. Okay, and in our daily life we use the services of many people. The work one does for a living is called his or her occupations. So the work one does for a living is called his occupations. And let's meet some people. Okay, so first one, I am Jaggu. Here I am Jaggu, I made shoes, and I am a cobbler. Number two, I am a Hariya. I repair pipelines and taps. I am a plumber. Number three, I am Ramu. I sell vegetables. I am a greengrocer. And I am last one, I am Abdul. I stitch clothes and I am a tailor. So in our daily life we do different services, or we use the services of many people, and the work one does for a living is called his or her occupations. Okay, so the work one does one does for a living is called occupation. OCCUPATIONS. Okay, occupations. So first one, this is Jaggu, and I am Jaggu. I mend shoes. I am a cobbler. Next, number 2, I am a Hariya. I repair pipe, lines and taps. I am a plumber. And next, number 3, see this man. I am a Ramu and I sell vegetables. I am a greengrocer. Next, number 4, see this picture. I am a Abdul and I stitch clothes. I am a tailor. Okay, so different peoples do different types of works, and the work one does for a living is called occupations. Different types of occupations like doctor, nurse, greengrocer, cobbler, carpenter, teachers. Okay, different types of occupations have present in our life, and some people teaches us, some people take cares injured or sick people, some people sell vegetables or essential commodities, and some people mend shoes, that is cobbler, and someone who repair pipelines and taps, then we call them plumber. Okay, so different, and some firemen who dressed in red with his fire hat on his head, and he can drive the fire truck and fight fire too. And different occupations, we have learned that different occupations in our uh, life, and they are useful for us in different ways. Thank you.